let's go here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and output should be 1, 3, 6, 10. So it works in this way. So you're taking the previous number, adds to the new one, and the same goes up. What I was doing, I was creating the map. Inside we had radius, and was checking if index 2 is index 1, and if it's not, like if it is, I'm just stopping that, and that's all. But that's an idea how it can work, but that's not ideal way of doing that, because we always should go to one list as much as possible. So here is an ideal example of that. So we have temporary 0, then we're adding every time only this 0, and that's geniusly. We're just adding the new number. So we have temporary array, we got the list for until the nums length, and then we're adding what do we have inside of our list to our temporary number, and then we add it to our temporary array. And that's incredible, because we'll go to the second one, for example, and it will add to our previous number this new number, and that's geniusly, and then we'll put it into array. So with that, I wanted to say that there is a lot of ways of solving that. For me, it's better to go, I always think that it's better to go from easy way to more optimized one, but firstly, to solve that as easy as you can do that. Okay, so let's go further. Let's go to the richest customer. What do we have here? Yeah, so how I found out this thing, I just write LeetCode basic, a LeetCode for beginners, and it showed me this one, and like, okay, let's try to do this one until something like will be understandable for me, because I realized one task before that when we have been trying to work with a method, I don't remember how it was in the previous video, I should probably needed to write dot next dot value, because I was trying to take that from array. It wasn't, because it was a method that has been working in that specific way, and I didn't get what they wanted to show me. Okay, let's see what do we have here, and if I will be able to solve at least one task today, because I am not sure as always. Okay, let's go and check it out. So you're given an mx, an integer greet account, where account IG is the amount of the money in I's customer has in the G's bank. Return the wealth that the richest customer has. The customer's wealth is the amount of the money they have in all their bank accounts. The richest customer is the customer that has the maximum wealth. Wow, that's incredible genius. Okay, how that should work. First customer wealth is, okay, I'm just adding these 3. I'm adding this 3. Output 6, so the richest is 6 one. First customer, I'll consider the richest wealth of each 6, so return 6. Okay, 1, 5, 7, 3, 3, 5. 6, 10, 8. Okay, the second customer is richest with the wealth of 10.